The feeling is the most important part of every manifestation. That's why Neville Goddard actually wrote the entire book called The Feeling is the Secret. And the title really signifies the importance of feelings, because your feelings are the secret to manifesting the life of your dreams. They really are. And do you know why? Because your feelings are energy. That's it. Your feelings are energy. I mean, we live in an energetic universe. Whether you're aware of it or not, we do live in this infinite quantum field of possibilities. We live in an infinite quantum field of potential. And everything in our quantum universe is made out of energy. So everything is energy. Like even the most tangible things in the world, like you think they're so tangible, they're so firm, they're so three-dimensional, but in essence, they just like energy particles vibrating on a certain frequency. So everything energy, you're also energy. And your energy, your own personal energy, your energy field is created through your feelings. If you can actually measure an emotion, you can actually measure the vibrational and energetic capacity of an emotion. So your feelings cannot create you. They create you on an energetic level. And I know it's like a lot to digest when you first hear about it, but you don't really have to be overwhelmed by all of this like scientific stuff. Like you don't ever even have to pay attention to this. Like you just have to remember like one sentence and that's it. Emotion is energy in motion. Just memorize the statement. Emotion is energy in motion. And I'm sure you've already heard this statement somewhere. Because this statement is quite popular. Like everyone is quoting this or talking about this. But do they really know what are they talking about when they say emotion is energy in motion? Like it's not just a cute saying. It's actually 100% true. That's what Neville Goddard would always tell you, that you have to feel from your state. Feel from the state of your wish fulfilled. Feel from the state of how would you feel when your desire is already completed. Why? Because these feelings are like the energetic potential that actually creates your manifestation in a quantum field, and then your manifestation is delivered to you in this three-dimensional reality. So it all always starts with your emotions. But you know what? Like most people are not aware of the emotions. Like most people just every day they allow their thoughts and emotions to happen to them. Most people are running on autopilot all their lives. They never pay a single thought to what's going on inside them, to what's going on in their inner world, to what's going on in the world of thoughts and emotions. And then they look at their circumstances, they look at their life, and they ask themselves, why is it that way? Well, how can it be the other way if you never pay attention to who you actually are inside you? And your inner world, the world of your thoughts and emotions, works as a blueprint for your outer world. So if you're not aware what's going on inside you, if you're not aware of your dominant thoughts and emotions, if you're not aware of your dominant state of being, then yes, you're running on autopilot and you create your reality by default rather than creating your reality by design. But you don't have to be one of those people. You don't have to be one of those people, because the key to creating the life you desire, the life you dream of, it's getting grip on your dominant thoughts and emotions. Because sometimes your thoughts cause certain emotions, and sometimes your emotions cause certain thoughts. So you have to take care of both in order to create for yourself a harmonious reality, or in order to manifest like this object, this thing that you want to manifest in your physical reality, or this person or whatever. The feeling is the secret. The feeling is really the most important part of every manifestation. So let's focus on emotions just for the moment. Like, you already know why emotions are very important, because emotions are energy. Energy creates your reality. 3D reality is just a reflection of your dominant energetic state. That's your dominant thoughts and emotions. That's your dominant self-concept. That's your dominant state of being. It is all connected. So what is also important to know is that the positive emotions are good emotions. Good emotions that give you high vibrational energy. And this high vibrational energy actually creates in your reality very good things. On the other hand, negative emotions, low emotions, give you a little bit of the low energy, of negative energy. And they create in your reality like the circumstances and things that you don't necessarily desire to have in your reality, right? So that's why everyone is always telling you to keep your vibration high. So if you've never before understood the statement, keep your vibration high, now you understand that it's all basically about your emotions, because your emotions create your energy. So it's kind of like about teaching yourself how to feel better emotions, deeper emotions, more high vibrational emotions majority of the time. And why am I saying majority of the time? Very simple. I mean, you're human. You're human, and as a human being, you have the right to experience both negative and positive emotions. Like, that's the beauty of being human, like experiencing different emotions, right? So yes, you can totally experience a negative emotion. I feel like when people just like grasp this entire thing of keep your vibration high and stuff like this, they just like so terrified that they can never ever in their life feel a negative emotion. But that's not true. That's not true. Like, your emotions are beautiful, and you have the right to experience every emotion. And certainly you can experience a negative emotion, and you will, as a human being, experience negative emotions. But the key is not to allow your negative emotions to take over your life. Because there's a difference between feeling a negative emotion, understanding it, healing it, and letting it go, or feeling a negative emotion and allowing this negative emotion to become a part of who you are, to become a part of your identity, and to start to define your life. Like, this second approach, you should avoid that. You should avoid that. Your negative emotions are basically just a feedback. They are trying to tell you something about your belief system, something about the shadow work you have to do, something about thoughts and emotions you have to address and heal and let go. So if you don't allow yourself to address your negative emotions, then those negative emotions accumulate, or you just like push them away and you store them in your subconscious mind, you store them in your body. And no, don't do that. Allow yourself to feel every emotion, but understand this emotion and let it go. Let it go, because you don't need this energy. So how can you feel the emotions that will give your manifestation? How can you brainwash yourself emotionally and mentally for the type of reality you want to experience? You have to start kind of like teaching your mind and reprogramming your mind with different thoughts, with positive affirmations, with putting on a new identity, a new self-concept. You have to teach yourself how to deliberately feel these emotions, because realize that these emotions are what create your reality. So if you want a different reality, you have to start feeling different emotions. You have to allow yourself to feel like you already have it. You have to feel and think from the state of your wish fulfilled. And it's tricky in the beginning, but the more you do this, the better you essentially become at this. So you can use many different tools that will put you into the state of your wish fulfilled. So you can use, obviously, affirmations. Like, you should brainwash yourself with affirmations every single day. But you can also do like visualizations and guided meditations for manifesting a specific thing or a specific person. Or you can create a vision board, or you can do scripting sessions, like whatever, just whatever thing that puts you into the state of your wish fulfilled. Just do this, because the more you stay in the state throughout your day, the more you think and feel from this state throughout your day, the quicker you will shift into your desired reality, because you will shift into this reality based on your vibrational frequency, on your dominant energy. That's why it's so important to keep your energy in alignment with the thing you want to manifest. Because remember, your inner world creates the outer world. So if you take care of yourself every single day, if you take care of your belief system, if you take care of your state of being, if you take care of your identity and how you perceive yourself, and if you take care of your habitual thinking and feeling patterns, then your reality has no other choice but to change, because your reality always follows your inner world. Remember, reality is just a reflection. Your inner world, your state of being is a blueprint. So take care of the internal, and the external will take care of itself. Just take care of your inner world, because it is a foundation. It is a foundation. And that's why the feeling is the secret to manifesting your desires, because once you get a grip of your thoughts and emotions, you basically get a grip on your entire reality, and you start creating a much more joyful, happier, and abundant reality for yourself. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that right now you will understand that your feelings are so important, and your feelings combined with your thoughts really are the foundation of your reality. So if you want to manifest something, just take care of your feelings, take care of your thoughts, and you will manifest anything you want. Just put yourself into the state of your wish fulfilled. Think from this state, feel from this state, act from this state. Feel like the person who already is experiencing your desired outcome. And you have no other choice but to get your desired outcome, because that's how this reality works. That's how this universe works. You create a foundation, a blueprint in your inner world, and your three-dimensional reality just reflects that. So do this. Get in the state of your wish fulfilled. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.